kasih. Tepukan untuk Nabil. Well done, Nabil. Apa khabar Istana Budaya? Sebenarnya awak bukan Istana Budaya. Awak just pelawat lah beli tiket. Sepatutnya Istana Budaya, the seats all around. Okay, my name is Harith Iskandar. This is the first time, ni kali pertama that there's actually a full comedy show in Istana Budaya, the history of Istana Budaya tonight. How so far? Okay? Yeah. Tak, memang I memang excited when I dapat tahu all the other comedians, because actually I didn't realise, wow, these comedians betapa famousnya. Betapa famous ni. Bila kita semua sampai kan, I'm standing outside, then bila Nabil datang, the Pak Gad semua, Nabil. Jozan datang, Johan, Zizan. And then bila Boboy datang, Harun, Aflin. And then bila saya sampai, then, botak! No, it's okay. It's okay because I am botak. I am botak. And itu memang cara kita, cara Malaysian. Malaysian, we state the obvious. Bila orang botak, kita panggil botak. Kadang-kadang, gemuk. Halus. But then, when I see people with hair, I tak pernah kata, oi, rambut. No, Malaysian memang, we state the obvious. Kan kalau kita tunggu kat bus stop, waiting at the bus stop, there's only bus. When we stand at the bus stop, kalau orang datang, apa yang dia tanya? Tunggu bas ke? Dekat panggung wayang, sitting in the cinema, we are inside the cinema, tengah about to watch the movie. Orang datang, watching movie. Tak nak jawab, apa nak jawab? That's a Malaysian, we state the obvious. And I am proud to be Malaysian, ladies and gentlemen. Up there, are you proud to be Malaysian? Oh, yang Singapore semua duduk atas. Mesti ada Singaporean kat atas. No, it's okay. No, I like Singapore. I like Singapore. Singapore dengan Malaysia, we like to kutuk each other kan. Singapore kutuk Malaysia. No, it's friendly. Kita macam adik-beradik, tapi kadang-kadang kita gaduh. But at the end of the day, we are brothers. I like Singapore. But only one small problem with Singapore. There's too many Singaporeans. No. Because have you been to Singapore? Singapore confusing. I mean, I memang confused when I go to Singapore, because bila saya masuk Singapore, saya tengok, it's like Malaysia. It's the same. The people the same, everything the same. I get confused. But then when I get there, I realize it's not the same. It's not the same. No, in Singapore you cannot simply anything. Tak boleh. Everything control. Semua control. I give you example. Misalnya, I'm walking along Orchard Road. Tengah jalan, then I want to cross the road. I want to cross the road. I about to cross the road, cannot. Singaporean stop me. Sir, sorry, sir, you cannot cross the road here, sir. I say, why? Sir, sorry, sir, Singapore, we have a special area for you to cross the road. You're Malaysian, isn't it? I know. In Singapore, there's a special area. Special. They have the yellow, they put the yellow line. All the Singaporean, when they want to cross the road, they come to the special area. And even when they reach the special area, they don't cross the road, they wait, they stand. Traffic tak ada kan, they stand. Why? Why they stand? Because the traffic light not yet changed. Traffic light red. Kan ada the red man with the green man. The red man macam ni. The green man macam ni. Kalau red man, they stop, they wait, they look. When the red man turn green, then they cross the road. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, ladies and gentlemen, not yet clap. Wait, don't clap yet. That one is not a joke. The joke coming. That's a Singaporean didn't want to hear the joke. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, ladies and gentlemen, you see, I am Malaysian. My government bagus. My government don't give special area to cross the road. My government say the whole road you can cross. The whole road you can cross. Betul? In Malaysia, we are Malaysian. We don't wait. We don't need the red man, green man tell us when to cross the road. We don't need. Because the traffic light broken, not working, rosak. Kalau kita tunggu satu malam, kita berdiri kat sana, tak? No, when a Malaysian want to cross the road, we cross the road. Tengah jalan, perasaan nak lintas tu datang aja. Straight away kita. Tak takut. Traffic datang pun kita tak takut. Because Malaysian, we trust in the power of the hand. Malaysian bila lintas jalan, kita datang gitu, oi. Berhenti. Berhenti. Boleh berdiri kat tengah jalan. Berhenti. The lorry coming, lorry dengan 18 tayar. Kita, oi, berhenti. Walaupun kita kata berhenti, kita tahu the lorry takkan berhenti. Dia akan avoid, elak. Because Malaysian driver, we never slow down unless got accident. Kalau ada accident, then only the Malaysian driver slow down. Pernah tak ada highway, kan highway, tiba-tiba tengok jam, slow down, jam. Every time got jam, what's the first thing? Mesti accident ni, accident. Memang, lepas 40 minit sampai pun, tengok accident on the other side of the road. That side, no jam. Tapi this side, accident. Because Malaysian, I don't know why. When got accident, we must slow down. We stop, accident. We park our car. We get out of the car. We cross the road. We go and see accident. And I don't care, ladies and gentlemen. I don't care what job you have. When it comes to accident, when you park your car, you go to the accident, automatically you become investigating officer. Betul? Because when you sampai accident, kita pun, ni accident ni. Ni accident ni, bawa laju ni, accident. Tengok, saya skate mark tu, accident ni, bawa laju ni. This suddenly, sibuk become investigating officer. And even Malaysian, we are very cool tau. Sometimes the accident memang quite a bad accident. Ada orang yang meninggal dan ada mayat dia. No, but you see, Malaysian, we very relaxed. Mak Saleh, perasan tak? Mak Saleh, if they see accident like this, dia orang tak tahan. They see accident like that, oh my God, there's been an accident. Oh my God, there's a dead body. Oh my God, there's a dead body. I can't see the dead body. Oh my God, I can't go to work. I'm traumatized. I'm traumatized, mentally traumatized. Dead body, mental traumatization. I can't go to work. I cannot go to work for 6 months. Mental traumatization. I'm going to sue the dead body. 5 million, sue the dead body. Mental traumatization. Malaysian, we see the accident, dead body. Wah, sudah mati ya? Mati accident ni. Melayu ke Cina? Why? Indian don't have accident, is it? Why we don't ask? Melayu, Cina, India ke lain-lain? Let everybody have an accident. Betul tak? So I learned a lot. After dah kahwin, I learned a lot because my wife younger. My wife is what I call new school. I am old school. Old school dengan new school lain. Tahu tak beza ni old school? I give you example. My wife new school. My wife sejak kecil dia dah tahu pasal handphone. Masa kecil dulu, I old school. No handphone. Phone pun tak ada. Phone pun. Siapa masih ingat time phone yang kat rumah kita angkat ganggang, kita dah kita paling benci kalau nombor kawan kita ada banyak kosong, banyak 9 sebab lambat. Got some old school people here. Say, hey, old school. That's old school dengan new school. My wife watch TV, the new school, remote control. Kalau TV tak on, dia complain, dia tak bangun. Sayang, TV not working, TV not working. Kita old school. Old school dulu, masa kecil dulu, TV mana ada remote control? Tak ada kan? Lagipun TV bukan color. TV transmission black and white, hitam putih. Siapa masih ingat? Black and white TV. TV dulu tak ada remote control. You want to watch TV, you must wake up, bangun from the couch, you must walk to the TV. Then you open the wooden door cabinet there, because TV always in the wooden door. You turn on the TV, you must pull the dial. Then you wait 5 minutes, the TV warm up. Shh. Then you don't like the program, you bangun, you walk over to the TV, the dial, at the dial, go 0, 1, 2, you change from 1, physical, change to 2, you walk back to the couch, you sit down, you don't like the program, you get up, you move, back from 2, you change back to 1, don't like 1, don't like 2, 1, 2, only got 2 channel. Dulu. Betul. Young people nowadays, they don't know. They thought betul ke? It's only 2 channel. One TV. Nowadays, 3, 7, 8, 9, Astro, how many channel? 54 channel, 65 channel, saya pun tak tahu. Channel you can buy. Nowadays, we sit in front of the TV. We start, turn on TV. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, forward, 211, 212, 213, 214, 231, 311, tak faham ni. 444, 411, 4 HBO, 414, 413, 412, 511, berita, 512, 513, CNN, CNBC, 611, 612, 612, 701, AXN, 711, Star World, Kim Kardashian, 712, 73, 714, 74, Sukan, 812, 812, Liverpool dengan Manchester United sekarang tengah bermain, tadi 0-0 half time, 813, 814, 812, 815, 816, 822, kita lepas 800 channel, kita balik ke 101, and then what do we say? Got nothing on lah. Boleh complain. That is old school dengan new school. Selain daripada itu, perbezaan is music. Music old school dengan music new school berbeza. Old school music, I like old school music. Lagu-lagu daripada The Commodores, Earth, Wind and Fire, Alley Cats dulu, old school. Woo! Yeah. Old school, you hear old school lyrics. The young people don't know. Old school lyrics, you listen to the lyrics. Misalnya, my favorite song from the Commodores, 3 Times a Lady. You listen to the lyrics. You're once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. Sedapnya the lyrics. But one thing about old school lyrics, when you hear the lyric, you must sing the lyric. You cannot speak the lyric. You cannot bercakap. I can sing to my wife, she will like it. But if I say to my wife, sayang, you are once. No, I think you're twice. No, you are 3 times a lady. She will say, what? You saying I'm fat, is it? Tak boleh. But you look, nowadays, new school music. Dari mana entah mana the lyric comes, simply dia bantai, it became a song. Tak ada emosi langsung. Betul. I tell you, the guy from Black Eyed Peas, you know how he got the song? He was standing around with his friend. Hey bro, what's up bro? Yo, Saturday night man, what you gonna do? He's like, yo bro, what do you want to do man? And then dia kata, yo bro, you know what? I think tonight it's gonna be a good night. Woohoo! I got a feeling tonight it's gonna be a good night. Woo!